Good morning, Snuggle Munchkins. Good morning, babies. Wakey, wakey. It's time for breakfast. All snug as a bug in your tub. Hello. Hello, babies. How are you? Good morning. Are you hungry? You want some breakfast? Hello, baby cakes. Mwah. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Aren't they just adorable? Yeah. Hi. Hi there, you two in the corner. Do you want some breakfast? Hello. Babies, I wish everybody a very happy weekend. Yes. And this week, those that want to know the sex of their babies will be revealed over the weekend. Oh, yes, the big reveals over the weekend. Are you a girl or are you a boy? Are you trying to climb out? Are you? Are you climbing out of your tub? Are you? I can see you. Hello. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. Yeah. Oh, it's Saturday morning and it is 8 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, babies. See you later. I'm just going to make you breakfast.